Hi, 7th graders. What we're going to be doing today is an extension of yesterday. You guys are going to be going ahead and receiving 3 more challenges where you're going to try to take what you learned from yesterday about putting yourself in front of a motion sensor and knowing how, if you move back or if you move forth, how that'll affect your graph that you create to see if you can go ahead and match your graph with the graph that I give you for your challenge. Now today you're going to make sure that you do 3, and then I am going to ask that you guys print out your maps so that I have actual evidence that you were able to accomplish your challenge. Alright, so what we're going to be doing, if you go to File, and you should be, so for example, if you are at the main screen, and you go to File, and you click on Middle School, you want to make sure that you scroll down today to 33F. So that's the one we're going to use today. And when you go ahead and click it open, what you'll see is you'll have a blank screen, just like what I have up on my screen. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on the match button. And you'll want to match, continue to press this until you get this graph right here. So you're going to go ahead and keep pressing it until you get to this graph right here. This is the one that I want you guys to go ahead and try first to see if you can, again, kind of remember back to yesterday and see if you can go ahead and get your own body position to match this graph. So that's what I'd like you to do right now. You can go ahead and pause the video if you'd like, so that way you guys can go ahead and get started and attempt your first challenge today. Once you're done, what you need to do, and you've made your match and you've actually did the experiment, then I want you guys to make sure that you go to the print button. So the print button's right up there. You're going to go ahead and click print, and then you're going to make sure that you have this right here pressed. So that way then you can type your name in. I do want to make sure that you have the date, page title, or page number on there, because that's something we don't really need. And then you're going to click OK. Then you're going to go ahead and choose from your options on the printing options of the printer. You're going to either choose the middle school library or you're going to choose the Biz Hub. So you're going to choose one of those two to print. If you're having a hard time connecting to a printer and it won't work, then I want you to go to Microsoft XPS Document Writer. So that way it will go ahead and at least print an actual copy of what it looks like, and we can save it to the desktop and put it into your Google Drive. So if we can't print it for some reason the computer's not able to find the printer, then I want you to use the Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Challenge number 2, I want you to go ahead and you'll have to and choose the next graph. And the next one that I want you to do is, looks like this right here. So this is the one I want you guys to go ahead and do next. Feel free to go ahead and make sure that you can try to find it. And again, pause once you have it so that you can go ahead and try to accomplish this challenge, challenge number 2. Once you're done, you want to make sure you go back to print and follow the same procedure as before. So making sure that you have the printer footer on and that you take all of these off. And then you go ahead and choose OK and do the same thing you did last time. So again, if you're having a hard time printing to the printers, make sure you just do Microsoft XPS. Now your last one that I want you guys to do is you guys get to have your own choice for. So challenge 3, I want you to go ahead and choose one that you think would be somewhat hard to do and try to see if you can accomplish it. And again, when you're done with it, you'll want to make sure you go ahead and print. Good luck today, and we'll see how you do on your challenge.